In today's video, I'll show you how to create character voices in ElevenLabs so you can give different personalities and speaking styles to your stories, animations, games, or other creative projects. If you're new to character voices, the goal is simple. Instead of using the same voice for every line, you create unique voices that help each character sound distinct and memorable. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account and head to the voice section. This is where you can browse existing voices or create your own. Next, choose a voice that matches your character. Think about the personality you want to portray, such as calm, energetic, serious, friendly, or mysterious. Once you've selected a voice, open the text-to-speech editor and enter your character's dialogue. Writing naturally and using proper punctuation can make the performance sound more expressive.
Alrighty there.
Now, generate the audio and listen to the result.
ElevenLabs states
Pay
that my
attention to how well the voice matches your character's personality and speaking style. If the voice doesn't sound quite right, try a different voice or make small changes to the dialogue. Even slight adjustments to wording or punctuation can improve the delivery. For projects with multiple characters, repeat the same process using different voices for each one. This makes conversations easier to follow and gives every character a unique identity. When you're satisfied with the results, download the voice clips and arrange them in the correct order for your project. With a little experimentation, you can create believable character voices that make your stories and videos more engaging. And that's how you create character voices in ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.